It's your boy, Big Homie Leonard, coming back again with another video, man. If this your first time to the channel, go ahead, smash that like button for your boy, and subscribe to the channel if you want any tips, advice, or reviews on anything sneaker, in this case, streetwear related. Now, as you can see by the title, man, I have finally got my package in. It's the Yeezy Gap Hoodie. We finna take a look at that. I see a lot of people been getting their shipments in, and I'm so happy I got mine. Yeah, But while we look at this, man, we finna do something a little different, man, because I see a lot of people keep talking about this is nothing but an expensive Walmart hoodie. So I actually purchased a Walmart hoodie, and we finna really compare this Walmart hoodie to this Yeezy Gap hoodie. But for all my returning subscribers, man, you already know how I get down. I don't like to take too much of y'all time, so let's go ahead and dive inside this video. These hoodies was released September the 29th for a retail price of $90. Everybody I showed the hoodie to told me I was stupid. I was crazy. That didn't make no sense that you spend $100 after shipping. You spent $100 on a plain hoodie. Why would you do that? Well, I support Kanye in everything he do. That is no secret. I am a big Kanye fan. He can't do no wrong in my eyes. If you know me, you know that. So I bought the hoodie because I know the hoodie is gonna be fire. You hear me? See, one thing I like about it so far, look at the package, man. Package with care. That's why I like it. I love that. It is packaged with care. You hear me? Now, if you shop at Gap, you will know. I believe that some of their clothes is a little bit on the pricier side to be plain. So I wasn't shocked that this hoodie was $90. Bro, this hoodie is heavy. This is quality, you hear me? As you can see, man, I got the light brown colorway. The reason why I got the light brown because I was planning on wearing my Yeezy foams and a lot of other Yeezys that I got in the brown colorway. I wear Yeezys a lot, so why not go with the brown? Now, I did try to cop the blue one, but you know, that didn't work out in my favor. Now, everybody keeps saying it's nothing but an expensive Walmart hoodie, man, so I'm finna take this Walmart hoodie out the bag. As you can see, man, this hoodie cost me $12 from Walmart. Now, the first difference I noticed off the rip, this feels cheap. I can tell you that much now. Now, the first thing I don't like about the hoodie, man, is the tag. You could at least put some stitching on it or something. As you can see that, can you see that? Focus in. Focus in, Flubby. Focus, camera. See that? Yeah, man, about 3 or 4 washes, that thing coming off. That's coming off, and that's the only way you know this is a Yeezy hoodie. Let me put the thing on, man. Let's see what he's talking about. Woohoo! This thing is soft on the inside. You hear me? The one thing I like about this, man, is the cut. I like you don't have to hang all the way down to the pants, man. It actually stop at the waistline. I kind of figured that because I seen the pictures of Kanye actually wearing this hoodie. It was just one of the things I like about it. I like how it got like a baggy feel to it, but it's also tapered in a way. If that makes sense. I don't know him. I don't know. Man, the quality of this hoodie is amazing, bro. It's amazing. It is amazing. Yeezy, you done did it again, you hear me? Now, I did get a size XL, man. I always get an XL in my jackets and my hoodies. I like that little oversized feel, so I got an extra large and it fits perfect. First off the bat, man, I want to say when I put this hoodie on, man, it feels so plush and soft, man. So plush and soft. Now, as you can see, I'm 5'11". My weight is around, what, 225-ish, 226, nah. You know what I'm saying? I'm kind of heavy set guy, but as you can see, this is how it looks on me. Now, one thing I love about the hoodie, man, I love how it crops at the bottom, man. I love that. It just makes the jacket looks more, you know, on the fashionable side. Now, when I compare this to the Walmart hoodie, man, the Walmart hoodie is, you know, I got the thickest one I can find, and it's still a little thin. Got the same size XL. It kind of fits snug on me. That's weird. Now, I know everybody have caught the Walmart hoodie once upon a time in their life, man. So you already know the material, man, is cheap. It's not gonna protect you from the cold. It will shrink, it will fade if you wash it one time, especially if you wash it wrong. I mean, man, we already know the quality of Walmart. This ain't no secret. Now, what crazy is I buy one of these hoodies every year for work, and this fit kind of snug, man. Maybe it's time for me to go on a diet. I think it's time for me to go on a diet. It is. Now, will this have some effect on the cold? It surely will. I mean, I put it on, and the first 2 minutes of me wearing it, man, I already bust a sweat. So, you know, probably because I'm fat as hell, or it just could be a good quality hoodie. But anyway, man, yeah, I wish I would have caught that blue one, man. I really wanted that blue one. That was the first one I went for. I don't know what that website had going on, but it wouldn't let me cop. But I did actually wanted this colorway more than I wanted the blue, because I have no doubt about it, I'll be wearing this a lot this winter. I have no doubt about that. So I'm gonna get a color that I actually gonna wear a lot. So that's why I went with the light brown. They had with red. I didn't really care for the red. I didn't care for the purple. Didn't want the black. It was too basic. What else color they had? I think that's it. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know. But yeah, man, that's the only two colors I wanted, was this light brown one and that blue one. So glad I got this hoodie, man. Like I said, I will be wearing this a lot. So don't be judging me, picking on me, because as a matter of fact, that's what Kanye wanted me to do. He made the perfect hoodie so I won't have to wear no other hoodie. That's the whole purpose of the hoodie. But anyway, man, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash the like button for your boy. Don't forget to follow me on IG at BigHomie_Leonard. That's LNRD. And until next time, man, I'm out of here.